Oh, very serious man.
Oh, yes, Jan. Look at the work I gotta do. So,
What are you doing?
right now I'm doing some French, then maths, a lot of work. Well, I need something.
What do you want?
Maybe a smoothie, that would be pretty nice.
Really? What type
Yeah.
of smoothie you want?
Maybe strawberry and banana together.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I have strawberry here. Also
Oh.
have banana also.
Oh, that was luck.
But you have to drink 2 glass. Is it fine?
I'm good with that.
Okay. So I will make a very delicious smoothie for Adesh.
No,
because
one
he
more
is
thing.
so
I need
tired.
it fast. I need
Okay,
it
no
fast.
problem. Come.
Time
I'm
is
going. The
ticking.
ingredients for the smoothies are fresh banana. Always remember that the banana has to be ripe. Then strawberries, sugar, and cold milk, vanilla ice cream. Also, finally, we need crushed ice. Strawberries, banana, sugar, almost 3 spoons of sugar, 1 glass cold milk, vanilla ice cream, around 3 spoons, and finally ice cubes. Wow, look at this color, the perfect color. The smoothie is ready now. See the consistency? Really, we need this. Wow. Our smoothies are ready now. I'm going to impress Adesh. So I'm going to put some garnish on top of the smoothies. One. So I told you earlier, he has to drink 2 glasses of smoothies. Guys, look at this. Our smoothie is ready now. Now I'm going to give Adesh to taste the smoothie. He will give you exact opinion about the smoothie. And finally is ready.
Oh.
Your smoothie.
Okay, that's fast. Let me take this one.
I'll take. No, this for you.
Oh, okay. Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
This smoothie,
Hmm.
right? Instead of doing a YouTube channel, you can start a shop which sells these smoothies. That's extremely good.
Thank you. Thanks for your comments.
I can't explain how good this is.
Yeah, try.
Okay. Okay, that's really good.
I don't try this. I promised in the beginning 2 glasses for yourself.
Guys, look, I just have 2 of them. What will I do with both of them, Dad? Oh my god. Guys, you see these decorations on both the side, right? Those 2 strawberries? Well, I expect more decoration from my father when it comes to smoothies. However, the taste is what matters the most. And the taste is really good. I mean, anyone who tries it, even if a person who is not a big fan of smoothies, will definitely like this smoothie. Let me tell you, banana and strawberry, it is the best combination I ever had in a smoothie. But then, don't forget to do the most important thing. That is to give this video a big like. Make it really big as you can. Make sure to share this video so others can also learn there exists such a great smoothie. And finally, it is that red button. What is it? The subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. And we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Adesh, you didn't invite me to say bye-bye.
Yeah, maybe.
Bye-bye.
Oh yeah guys, bye-bye. See you guys next time.